Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. As you already have read the title, today's video is a review of a newly launched brand Ikai Beauty's face souffle or face mask. So if you are looking for a good, effective, all natural skincare product or a skin pampering product, then today's video is for you. Make sure you watch this video till end because I'm gonna give a detailed review of this product. So if you find this video or a review useful or helpful, then show your love by hitting that like button. You can also comment and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's quickly jump into the video. Let's get started. So the product I'm gonna review today is this Ikai Beauty's face souffle. So this is their packaging of 5 variants. Then there is another such packing of 3 variants, I guess, or you can get single souffle as well. So now talking about the brand itself, this Ikai Beauty is all launched by Lotus Cosmetics. This range, all the product you will see will be fully organic. There would not be any preservatives, with a very cute and adorable packaging. Most of the product is a single use product, which means you can one-time use product basically, and all natural product, which is gonna be very useful for your skin. Moreover, the price range is also very affordable. So what one need when you are getting an organic, all goodness of nature, and no preservatives within such affordable range, right? So yeah, now talking about this product, I have ordered this box from Amazon. It's easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, and on their sites as well. Ikai Beauty's www.myikai.com website. I will mention their website in my description box, so do check out there. So when you open it, so you get 5 variants. So now talking about these souffles, their primary packaging, which is very cute, and it is like a souffle. Here it is written Ikai's Organic Choco Delight Face Souffle. No preservatives for all skin types. All you need is a chocolate with love, with 10 minutes of love and hydration. And it has this particular souffle has a 10 grams of product, which is, I think, enough for your face. So these are the single use. Here it is written about the benefit, and yes, easy to use. How to use it has been mentioned here. And it also has provided this awesomeness chart, like wow to my face, then easy to wash off, 10 out of 10, and harm me not, 10 out of 10. So yes, this is really cute. The other one is this is Ikai's Organic Fruity Surprise Face Mask or Face Souffle. So this is for nourishment and moisturizing. Next is this Orange Boost Face Souffle. This is for brightening and radiance. Next is this Papaya Preserve, brightening and replenishing. And the 5th one is this Berry Blush, whitening and brightening face souffle. So I'm basically very much into papaya, so I'm gonna use this Papaya Preserve. This really smells very fruity and delicious. So I will take this out in a bowl. You can directly apply on your face as well. And on a clean face, yes, before applying it, make sure your face is completely clean. And उसके बाद with the help of a application brush मैं इसे अपने पूरे face पे apply कर लूँगी. So you can also apply with fingertips, but मैं more comfortable feel करती हूँ with the help of brush. So इसे apply करने के बाद you might feel some itching or burning sensation. That is because of tan removing properties of papaya. But if you can't bear it, then I will suggest you not to use it. I have to keep this on my face for 10 minutes. उसके बाद you just have to rub it and remove, or just wash your face. So yes, this is really feeling very relaxing and soothing on my skin. So like our schedule is really hectic and environment pollution just make our skin so dull and tired, and due to that hectic schedule we can't even give hours to our skin pampering. So in that case you can simply grab this product, and it is really easy and all natural. It's gonna nourish your skin and replenish it. What are the benefits I have seen in this mask so far? One, it is really effective. I can really feel it from now only. It is very relaxing and freshening, soothing. Next, it is for all skin types. It has all organic and natural ingredients. It really smells good. It is very easy to use. You need not to follow a really lengthy skincare steps. Just grab it and apply it, then wash it off. These face masks are rich in antioxidants which really provide your skin nourishment. The organic and no preservatives will be very useful for sensitive skin as well. So after 10 minutes before washing my face, I am massaging the product into my स्किन वेरी नाइसली, और उसके बाद मैं इसे वॉश ऑफ कर लूँगी. So I washed it off. As you can see, you can clearly see that brightening effect on my skin. So what I prefer to do after following any skincare, I take an ice cube or a cold water. This is very small, so I just apply it all over my face. So yes, I'm very happy with the results. As you can see, एक instant ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट आ गया है फेस पे. स्किन काफ़ी क्लीन लग रही है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम फीलिंग रिलैक्स्ड एंड सूदिंग सा, एंड द कंसिस्टेंसी इज रियली वेरी क्रीमी, कि जैसे मैं एक फ्रूटी पूल से निकल के आई हूँ. बट आई हैवंट टॉक अबाउट इट्स प्राइस येट. So these souffles single pack cost you 85 rupees. Full package or these five variants for just rupees 262 from Amazon. Amazon पे आपको लगभग all the time एक particular amount of discount तो मिल ही जाएगा. So उस हिसाब से एक शेड मुझे 50 और 55 rupees की पड़ी है, which is really a steal deal. So do grab it, girls. So now talking about its final review, recommendations and its rating. So अगर reviews की बात करें and the result की बात करें, these are really effective on your skin, and अभी तक I can feel that cooling sensation or that soothness on my face. These are really refreshing and soothing in these summer or this very hot weather. Your skin really soft and hydrated, brightening, amazing, but as you need when you are getting 10 grams of organic product within just a $52. What a travel friendly packaging. You can take them anywhere. I'm very happy with the results. So I will highly recommend these. Like $52, you can easily buy this and give it a try. You will definitely gonna love. Thanks me later. And जहाँ पे इसकी रेटिंग की बात करें तो I will rate it 4 to 4.5, not completely 5, because I would like to give these souffles more try, and उसके अभी this was the first impression, which is really cool, even surprising, but I would like to give it more tries, and the review helpful लगे. Make sure you hit that, you like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.